Hello my peeps, I'm here. I'm not going to talk about these knives, but I'm going to talk about this one. This is the Smith & Wesson Vintage 1981 American Series 6051B. Get the snap off. Take it out of its sheath. Which, the sheath looks great because I just used that. And this is the actual knife. It's got a little something in the blade there. There we go. Now it's got it off. But this is a stainless USA made 1981 knife. The brass didn't look like this when I started. I hit it with a little bit of Blue Wonder and some quadruple aught steel wool, and then I hit the brass with some Brasso, which is awesome. I mean, look how this thing's shining. It's just crazy. And yeah, 4 3/4 inch dual blade. I need to sharpen the blade. It's a little sharp, but not bad. It's got the Smith & Wesson logos on there. I need to clean it up a little bit still yet, apparently. Still a little bit of stuff in there. But yeah, this thing's in like new condition. I mean, it's a very cool knife. It's the black version of the stainless, and there were less of these made than the 2 stainless versions. So very cool. Get a good look. Stainless USA. Really polished brass. That Brasso worked awesome. This stuff worked awesome too on the sheath. I've got the clip for the sheath. I took it out to, it's got the Smith & Wesson logo on it. But yeah, it looks really good. Aside from the junk I got on it. So yeah, that's all I've got for today. Next video, we're going to talk about some more knives that I have. Namely that knife. And maybe that knife. Or those knives. Peace. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.